Okay. So here we go.
I got the eye of the tiger, fire.
Who's singing here? Who likes to sing here?
Ghalia.
Yeah, Ghalia told me that she likes to. What did she say the first day? She
Gymnastic.
gymnastics. So we have seen one more hobby of Ghalia, that's singing, maybe, right?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So I told you that we will start with. I thought of showing you, today, but let us. But I'm gonna show you.
Miss, I'm sorry I was late, but because
The website was lagging for me.
It happens sometimes.
Yeah.
It happened sometime. Ghalia was on time. Her website worked properly, but all of us, it was disturbing. So let us let us see the video today, because yesterday we have studied about. Before seeing the video, let me just say you about the other three systems. Ghalia, do you remember the names of the system? What I told yesterday? It was skeletal.
The name of what?
The names of the system.
Not really.
Okay, repeat with me, Ghalia. Skeletal.
Okay. Skeleton.
Muscular.
Muscular.
Yes, you know about muscles, right? It's like muscular. Skeletal, about
Yeah.
bones. Okay. Skeletal, muscular, then respiratory, and
Respiratory.
yes, one more R is reproduction or reproductive
Reproduction.
or reproductive system. Okay, so these four, what I have discussed yesterday. There is one I forgot: cardiovascular. C-A-R, cardiovascular. Come on, repeat, Ghalia.
Is this for sport?
Yes.
Is like this cardiovascular for sport?
For heart. For our heart. So, Ghalia, yes, repeat. Cardiovascular.
Cardiovascular system, right?
Yes. So tomorrow again, I mean, not tomorrow, for Sunday when I come, I want the names of the system. Everyone must know. I know the other girls, they know, because even I taught them last year. So they were with me and they are good at it. So today.
Miss, can you hear me?
Yes, sure. Yes, Malak, I can hear you. Today we are going to discuss about lymphatic system, endocrine system or endocrine system, integumentary system. All these are tough. Whatever we are doing, these are tough today, girls. It's L-E-I-E-G-N. 1 minute. Let me come here. L-E-I. You can remember the word legin. Legin. L-E-I-G-E-N. I hope it's the same thing. Sorry. Yeah. L-E-I-E-D-N. Sorry, it's E-D-N. L-E-I-E-N-D-N-N. You can remember den, girls. D-E-N. You know the lion den, right? And okay.
Yeah.
Okay, remember L-I is lion. L-I, Leiden, Leiden, or Leiden, this word. L is lymphatic. L is lymphatic. Integumentary. Endocrine or endocrine. It's different.
Endocrine.
Okay. digestive,
digestive,
we have excretory, excretory. Remember exit, exit,
excretory,
excretory here. And finally, we have nervous.
nervous.
Okay, so yesterday we spoke about 2R, that was reproductive and respiratory. And then we spoke about C, that is cardiovascular. And we spoke about S, that is skeletal. Okay, so finally I say you SRC, and we have D, we have LIE, and we have DEN. These are the names of all the systems: skeletal, respiratory, reproductive, cardiovascular, and lymphatic, integumentary, endocrine, excretory, digestive, and nervous. So let me explain you one by one here, and then we'll watch the video. The lymphatic returns the leaked fluid back to the blood as a major part of the immune system. You know, girls, when the blood is circulating, the fluids are entering and going in our body. They're, they're moving all around the body. So that time what happened is some of the fluid goes back to the blood. It leaks back to the blood. That time it fights with the bacteria and virus. So that is lymphatic system. When I say endocrine, girls, endocrine is the major system because it is responsible for hormones. Our body has hormones, yes, glands, like growth hormone. You grow because of this gland system. Then the brain have some, like when you're happy, you have some hormones coming out. When you're sad, you have some hormones coming out. Okay, when you feel excited, when you are in a very good, every time, like when you go to beach, because you're happy, there is something which in our brain, or releasing some type of chemical comes out in the body that makes you more happy. That's why these all are responsible in endocrine system. The feelings, the sad, all that. Then integumentary, it's all about skin. It's all about the thing which is covered, and skin, nails, your hair, okay? And then you have here excretory, of course, the way you go to your pee, the urine comes out, and how it removes not only the urine and the stool, what you go and pass out, even your sweat, even your, you know that when you sweat, or when the waste come out from the blood, the cellular respiration, taking in of oxygen and removing carbon dioxide, all that waste, what is coming out of our body, is actually excretory system. The digestive system, it breaks down food, very well, into nutrients. And which organ is more responsible? Stomach and intestine. Nutrients are absorbed in the small intestine. Now, briefly, I'm talking about everything, but later again, in each lesson, we'll speak about more. The nervous system collects information. You touch something and then you move your hand because of the nervous system, because of the nerves, which send signal to brain. Understood, girls? Still here? Everyone?
Yeah.
Right here, let's go to another page. How are structure and function linked? Even though animals may look very different on outside and inside their cells, tissues and organs look very similar. When I see the tissues and organs inside, they look similar, girls. Example, like frog and us. When you see frog is so different from me, right? I don't look like frog, but yes, the internal organs of the frog and some birds and human heart, they all have same function. They all have that same artery, and they have vein, they pump the blood to the body, everything they are same. That's why when I was in my college, I used to do the experiment with the heart, and we used to put medicine in the heart of the frog, okay? Those all can be done experiments on that. The structure of the heart is similar too, though their shape may be a little different from each other. They all are muscular pumps that push blood around the body. This is the example to explain you that although the animals, they don't look alike, but their structure, their internal structure are similar. I don't say same, but I say similar. You see, heard about sperm cells so much. Even the plants have sperm cell, even humans have sperm cell, even animals have sperm cell. And when you see in the microscope, they are similar. But when you see externally, they differ. They differ. All the sperm cells, they have long tails and they're used to move. And the nerve cells are long and thin to send messages long distances. This is the structure of the skin. This is the skin cell. Last year, I think you have drawn this. Remember this? Dermis and epidermis.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is the sperm cell, and this is the nerve cell. Nerve cell also, I have explained. I remember. It looked like this. I have told you to draw like this something. Nerve cell, and then there is a long dendrite and axon. Girls, there is a fire alarm. I have to move down, okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.